Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Chrome is updated and you are signed into a Google account. Open Chrome, click the three dots, then More Tools and Extensions. Once there, toggle Developer Mode only if you plan to load unpacked code. For typical installs, go straight to the Chrome Web Store search bar and type the extension name. This gets you into the marketplace quickly. You avoid extra steps and maintain safety by staying in the official store rather than sideloading. You find the extension listing and study the rating, reviews, and user count to judge reliability. Click Add to Chrome and make sure to read the permissions prompt. This explains what data or actions the extension will access and why. After adding, click the puzzle piece icon and pin the extension for quick access. Once pinned, open its options or settings page. Configure account links, shortcuts, and feature toggles so the extension behaves the way you need it to. You finish by restarting Chrome to let the extension initialize cleanly. Test core functionality on a simple page to confirm expected behavior. If you experience slowness, UI glitches, or errors, disable other extensions one at a time to find conflicts. Make sure to clear cache and check for updates. If removal is needed, go to More Tools, Extensions, and remove the add-on. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Permission mismatches often cause failures, so recheck granted permissions before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.